Hello dear students, from the last few videos we have been making some online videos on how to solve the 12 marks problems on admission of partnership fund. Under that we have seen the treatments of the goodwill. So when the incoming partner brings a sufficient sufficient cash for his share of goodwill. So in this problem, after that, so now I am going to make some more video on treatment of goodwill. So for that, under that last few classes, so treatment of goodwill, we have solved the examples on retaining in the business. Now, and as well as we have seen in the last video, so how to withdraw the money on the term of goodwill by the old partners. So in the today's class, in the today's video, I am very much interested to how to withdraw the money, how to withdraw 50% of the money with regards to the goodwill by the old partners. So for that, I am standing before the camera along with my best friend, camera technician, Mr. Viresh. Let us solve one more example. The example will be on your screen. So from that, dear students, from that image, so you can see the example. Pujari and Purohit are two equal partners. The balance sheet as on 31st/3/2017 was as follows. They have provided one balance sheet with regards to the old partners. The balance sheet as on 31st/3/2017, look at on the liability side. Bills payable, sundry creditors, capitals. Come to asset side, cash, stock, sundry debtors, PDD, furniture, buildings. So like this, these are the assets and liabilities, so which are related to the old partners. So now I would like to see somewhat examples, some further adjustments. On 1/4/2017, they admit Pandit as a new partner and offered him 1/4 share in the profit on the following terms. So very important. He should bring in rupees 30,000 as capital. The incoming partner should bring rupees 30,000 cash for his share of capital and rupees 18,000 towards goodwill. Like this, he needs to bring the cash for the sake of capital as well as for the sake of goodwill. So now the second example, so that is second adjustment. Half of the goodwill should be withdrawn by the old partners. So here the old partners are withdrawing the money from the goodwill. So that too they have drawn the money, that 50% of the goodwill. So now look at stock and furniture to be depreciated by 10%. Here two assets are reduced by 10%. So one is stock and another one is this one, furniture. So last adjustment, that is PDD, means a provision for doubtful debts, is reduced by rupees 3,000. It is our income. So that have already maintained rupees 5,000 on the asset side provision as a provision for doubtful debts. From that amount we need to reduce by rupees 3,000. So it means here we need to maintain only 2,000. So this 3,000 will be our profit. So with this, we need to prepare a revaluation account, partners capital account, and new balance sheet. Here I am going to draw the tables. So my dear students, this is the example or the question for 12 marks. Keep in mind, this problem is for 12 marks. So as per the question, we need to prepare the first revaluation account. Revaluation account. So as you all know, dear students, it is the nominal account. So Here we are preparing this account for revaluing the assets and liabilities of the old partners. With this we can ascertain the profit or loss on revaluation of particulars amount. So next one, that is the combined partners capital account. Partners capital account. So there are totally 3 partners. Like this, we need to prepare this combined partners capital account. So particulars. So the name of the partners, Pujari Purohit. The new partner, Pandit. Pujari Purohit, and the new partner, Pandit. So this is on the credit side, particulars, Pujari Purohit. The last partner. Dear students, keep in mind here we need to write their names in the chronological form only. So Pujari, Purohit, these 2 are the old partners. The Pandit is the new partner. So this is the personal account. So this one is the revaluation account. So from this personal account we need to we can ascertain the closing balances. So from this capital account. So now the last one, that is third one, is to be prepared. It is not an account. Dear students, this is the statement of new balance sheet. New balance sheet. As on when they have admitted the new partner on 1/4/2017. On 1/4/2017 only they have admitted. 1/4/2017. This is on the liability side. Please don't write the debit and credit for this table. Why? Because it is not an account. This is the statement. Just we need to write liabilities. These are the list of liabilities. This one is the inner column and this one is outer column. Assets, rupees, amount. So like this we need to maintain the numbers, Roman letter number 1, 2 and 3. So like this only they have asked to prepare. So dear students, let us start how to solve this problem. Look at on the liability side by the initially bills payable and sundry creditors. There are no adjustments for these 2 outside liabilities. These 2 are the outside liabilities. We need to write it on the liability side. So that is bills payable of ₹6,600, sundry creditors, no adjustments for these 2 liabilities. That is the reason I am writing the amount on the outer column, 12,800. Okay, 12,800. So after these 2 outside liabilities, capitals are there, opening balance Buy balance brought down rupees 40,000, 30,000. So come to asset side, cash on the asset side, cash. So keep in mind, so initial value of rupees 1,800. The incoming partner has brought rupees 30,000 for shake of capital, 30,000. But he has also brought rupees cash, 18,000 cash for the shake of goodwill, out of which 50% has been withdrawn by the old partners, means 50% of this means 9,000. That is the reason here I am deducting. So make the total. So initially opening value 1,800. So this is for the capital. Our total goodwill is 18,000, out of which 9,000 has withdrawn. Only 9,000 is to be added, so that we can say, so 39 and 40, 40,000, 800. 40,800 like this. So total 40,800. So should be written on the outer column. So dear students, this 30,000, the capital, here we need to write on the credit side of the partner's capital account, buy cash of rupees 30,000 in the new partner's column. So that total 18,000 by goodwill is to be written on the credit side of the partner's capital account. Both are the equal partners, means 9,000, the entire goodwill is to be distributed like this, out of which we have withdrawn the money. So for that we need to write it on the debit side, to cash account, half of the goodwill withdrawn. So how much? 4,500. So half of 9,000 means 4,500. Same 4,500 dash. So this is the treatment of capital as well as the goodwill. When the 50% of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners, it is to be written on like this, and so that much only considerable. So now I would like to say stock has reduced by 10%. We need to write on the asset side. Yes students, stock, there is an adjustment of rupees 23,600 less reduced by 10%. 10% means 2,360. Alright? Okay. So 2,360, 0, 4, 2, 1, 21,240. So this reduced value is to be written on the debit side of revaluation account, because it is the loss to us to stock. What is the amount? 2,360. 2,360. So after that stock, need to write the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 25,000 less PDD. So original PDD was rupees 5,000. So now it has reduced by rupees 3,000, less 3,000. Here we need to maintain only 2,000 PDD. So net amount of debtors are 23,000. Look here, earlier it was 5,000. So it has reduced by 3,000 means, so provision for doubtful debts is the loss to us. So earlier the 5,000 loss for us. Now the loss has reduced by 3,000. It does mean that it is an income to us. So that is the reason we need to write it on the credit side to PDD of rupees 3,000. Keep in mind, very important. So next furniture. There is also an adjustment for this furniture. What is the original value of furniture? Furniture is valued only 4,000. Okay, 4,000. How much it has reduced? By 10% less. So dear students, this is the fixed asset. That is the reason we need to say as depreciation by 10%. For the stock, we can say it is reduced. Why? Because it is current asset. So this one is fixed asset. So 10% means 400. So net amount is 3,600. This 400 is the loss to us. So that we need to write it on the debit side as a to furniture. Furniture rupees 400. That's all. The next the building. No adjustment for the building. So directly I am going to write it on the outer column. Buildings of rupees 40,000. So like this I have transferred all the assets and liabilities along with their adjustments to the respective heads of accounts as well as this one statements. So look at the adjustments once again. He should bring rupees 30,000 as capital and 18,000 towards goodwill. Half of the goodwill should be withdrawn by the old partners that have already treated. Next, so stock and furniture to be depreciated by 10%. Stock and furniture I have already considered. The next, this one, provision for doubtful debts is reduced by 3,000. With this, I have covered the entire problem. So now I need to close one by one. Now I am going to close the revaluation account. Please look at, on the debit side it will be 2,760, but it is 3,000. So this is the more amount. That is the reason I am totaling on the credit side first 3,000. So look here, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, means 240 is the profit on revaluation of assets to old partners capital account. This one is a profit. So there are only two old partners. This amount is to be distributed among them. One is Pujari. Both are equal. Equal means 240 into 1 by 2 is equal to 120. Pujari. The next one, Purohit. Purohit. 240 into 1 by 2, similar 120, like this. So we can distribute the profit on revaluation of assets and liabilities. So then we need to transfer this balance to the partner's capital account by revaluation account. Revaluation account. So even you can write like this: profit. How much? 120 and 120. So no profit is to be given to the new partner. So now I would like to close this partner's capital account. The credit side is more. The total need to make the totals on credit side first, because so it is the highest amount, 39,120. 39,120. This one is 49,120. 49,120. So look here, 49,120, 39,120. This one is the 30,000. to balance carried down balance sheet figure. This is the entire total is the difference amount. So 0, 2, 6, 11, 5 plus 4, 9, 34,620. Similarly, 44,620. 44,620, 34,620, and 30,000 is the balance of our capitals. So we need to brought down here by balance brought down. What are the amount? 44,620, 44,620. Don't close this amount. So why? Because these are the opening balance of the next period. 34,620, and this one is the 30,000. Just we have to leave this much. So this is the way of closing the capital accounts. So these amounts are to be transferred to the liability side of the new balance sheet. So under the head capitals, first partner name is Pujari, Purohit, and Pandit. 44,640, 620, 34,620. This one is the 30,000. Here I am making the totals by manually. Yes, students, even you can do with the help of calculators also. So look here, 40, 12, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 4, 10. 1,09,240. So make the total on both the sides of this balance sheet. So you will get the equal total from both the sides. That will be on your board. So here I am making the total. Balance sheet total is 1,28,640. 1,28,640. 614. I am going to check here. 40 is here. Second, third digit. 2 plus 8 are 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1, 10, 12, 18. 1 plus 1, 2. 1,28,640 here. So come to asset side. Similarly, the 40 second digits, first two digits 40, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. 4, 7, 8. 8 is there. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1,28,000. Here I have made the total by manually, dear students. This is the way of solving the problem. So here you need to work hard to solve very accurately on these problems. So in the today's class, dear students, what was the new one? Here the incoming partner has brought 18,000 for the share of goodwill, out of which 50% has withdrawn by the old partners. So initially it was 18,000. When the incoming partners 50% withdraws the money from the goodwill, so that I have deducted that amount and shown it on the outer column. So that deducted amount for the initially I have posted the total amount for creating and withdrawing the money as return on the debit side from the capital account. This is the new way or new adjustments on 50% of goodwill is withdrawn. So we have tried to solve these kind of problems by making a video, dear students. I hope you will be very happy. So see you on next video. Thank you very much.